Hi, welcome to Advancing the Lifeline with DevOps. My name is Ryan Dobson. I'm the Director of Engineering with Motorola Solutions, working with the device cloud engineering team. I've been with Motorola for 20 years, worked in all different areas of software development, and now the pleasure to working with this team. Jonathan Akers is with me today. Jonathan, you want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yeah, so thank you, Ryan. I'm John Akers. I've been at Motorola for 17 years and worked in a lot of different areas, and it's been a pleasure to work in some of the new technology that we're going to be showing.
Great. Just a little backstory on Jonathan and I and our experience here. Last year, we attended the DevOps Enterprise Summit in Vegas, and we really got a lot out of the experience, both the people we met as well as the sessions that we attended. So it's really our privilege today to be able to share with you what our story has been. We started on this transition to DevOps in 2018. And the story we're sharing with you today is about our journey there. So first off, this iconic symbol, it means quite a bit to different folks, right? When you first see it, internally inside of Motorola, we refer to these as the bat wings, and they've been around for quite some time. And it may kind of stir up different images when you first see this. For a lot of folks, it can you immediately start thinking about cellular devices. For other people, it might be radios. There are quite a few things that have had this symbol on them over the years. And Motorola started back in 1928, and when they started, they actually were doing radios. 2 years after that, in 1930, is when they released their first two-way radios. And since then, they've been a leader in the public safety two-way radio communication business. And over the years, they extended into quite a few different areas of technology, right? Leading the way in cellular, semiconductors, lots of different projects. In 2011, the company split into two, so Motorola Mobility and Motorola Solutions. And the Motorola Solutions side retained the two-way radio business as the core business that they had. The mobility side took the cellular. So Jonathan and I are with the Motorola Solutions. We work in the two-way radio business, and that's what we're here to talk with you about today. So like I mentioned, Motorola Solutions took the two-way radio business with them in 2011. Since that time, they've expanded through acquisitions and some organic growth. And now the core of the business is around this mission critical ecosystem. There are four main parts that create this platform. The first being mission critical communications. So this is based off of the core that I mentioned before, that Motorola Solutions has been in the business for a long time, but it's expanded beyond just voice communications into data and other adjacencies. Video security and analytics. So this is relatively new to the Motorola Solutions portfolio, but we've aggressively been going after completing this entire ecosystem, and video security as well as the back-end analytics plays a key role in that. And the third is command center software. This is the back-end systems that provide incident management, as well as dispatch, 911 services, those types of things. And then the last is our managed and support services, which wraps them all together and provides an end-to-end solution for our customers. So double clicking into each of these areas to give you some idea of the scale at which Motorola Solutions is operating. So on the mission critical communication side, we have over 100,000 customers all around the world. This includes both on the enterprise and the public safety side. The command center software handling millions of incidents, and a focus on our 911 dispatchers and call takers. Video analytics, analyzing hundreds of thousands of alerts a day, notifying first responders of those events, and then providing the backend analytics to support it. And then our managed service and support, where we're monitoring customer networks and proactively providing support for them is a total package. So as I mentioned earlier, we do support both the government, public safety business, and enterprises. On the government side, we work with federal customers, Department of Defense, lots of three-letter agencies in the US, as well as foreign governments and militaries. On the enterprise side, our products are used by theme parks, data centers, as well as airlines, mining operations, all kinds of things. So when we're talking today about the services that we provide, an easy way to think of it is any two-way radio device that you see that has those bat wings on it, those are the devices that we're talking about today. So as you go to the airports or you go to different locations, you can look at what devices they're using. If you see those bat wings, that's what we support. So I have a short video here that's going to introduce the ecosystem a little bit more and show you how it's all integrated together to provide these solutions for our customers.